In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Hostinger email not sending or receiving. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by signing in to your Hostinger account and opening the dashboard. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct account and domain before making changes, since DNS edits affect email delivery. From the dashboard, locate and click on the Domains area to view the list of domains you manage. Once you're in Domains, open your domain portfolio to see a detailed view of each domain. Select the domain that's experiencing email problems and click Manage to access its settings. In the domain overview, find the DNS or name server section and open it. Scroll down to the DNS zone area where DNS records are displayed and managed. In the DNS editor, choose to manage DNS records. Select the type of record you want to edit and then choose MX for mail exchange records. MX records are essential because they tell the internet which server handles incoming mail for your domain. If these are missing or incorrect, email can't be delivered. Before making changes, check the current MX records using a DNS checker tool online. Enter your domain and run an MX lookup to see what servers are listed and their priority. Compare the results to the MX records recommended by your email provider or by Hostinger's documentation. If the records don't match, you'll need to update them. To update MX records, go back to the DNS zone in your Hostinger control panel. Remove any outdated MX entries and add the correct records exactly as provided by your email service, including the right host names and priorities. Save your changes. Keep in mind, DNS propagation can take some time, usually up to a few hours, so be patient while the changes take effect. If incoming mail is still not arriving, head to hPanel's email section and click Manage next to the domain in question. Scroll down to the list of mailboxes and click the 3 vertical dots beside the mailbox you're troubleshooting. Open Settings and look for the Suspend Receiving option. Make sure it is not enabled. If it is enabled, disable it and click Update to save. After updating DNS and mailbox settings, allow time for DNS propagation and then test sending and receiving messages. If problems persist, double-check that MX entries match your provider's requirements and that mailbox suspension is turned off. These steps resolve the majority of Hostinger email delivery issues.